Hi there. Clever is a great resource that we use, and one of the great things about it is that it allows us to have access to different apps and sites that we use on a daily basis without us having to remember multiple different logins and whatnot. So if you're using a desktop, I need you to go to your search engine, whether it be Safari, Google Chrome, whatever it might be, and I need you to type in clever.com. If you're on your iPad, then search for the app that says Clever with the blue lettering and white background, just as it is right here in the top left-hand corner. It will bring you to this page, and it says log in as a student in blue with white writing in the top right-hand corner. If you could click on that for me, it takes you to the login page, where you should make sure that it says Berkeley County School District, because if it does not, then it won't let you in, even if you have the correct login information. So make sure it says BCS District, and then you need to type in your username and password information. Your username for Miss Ott's class is your 400 number, and your password is your first initial, that is capital, then your last initial, which is lowercase, and your 400 number. Once you've done that, hit log in. Now that we are logged in, you can clearly see that there's some favorite resources up the top, as well as Miss Ott's teacher page. If you scroll down, then you have access to even more applications. Ones that you will be using in the future weeks include BrainPOP, Edmentum, First in Math, and McGraw-Hill. BrainPOP you will be using for a social studies activity. You click on it, it'll let you log right in. Edmentum is a really great resource for math, which we have used in class a lot. You do need to have an additional login for Edmentum. But this is a great avenue for you to use to get onto Edmentum without needing any additional steps. First in Math, you do not need an additional login. Just click on it and it'll take you right there to the familiar page. McGraw-Hill, that is one we have not used yet in Miss Ott's class. However, if you click on it, it will take you right to our math book. So again, if you scroll all the way down, once you're in to McGraw-Hill, so you see McGraw-Hill in the top left-hand corner, scroll in, you have the MyMath book. So if you click launch, you'll be able to go to any page that you need in your math book. But back to Clever again with BrainPOP, First in Math, McGraw-Hill. You do not need any additional logins for that. You also have access to News ELA, which will be really helpful for your individual writing piece that you have in week 5 and 6. All you need to do is click on Miss Ott's page and you can see News ELA there. All right, so if you need any additional help on how to maneuver around Clever or how to get in, please feel free to message me on Class Dojo or Schoology, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Bye for now.